they bring upon us, my brothers and sisters. Look around the Muslim ummah. If a country is not in war right now, they are under debts. One or the other ways of aggression they're facing. But, inshallah, there is still hope. That's the point, inshallah. I know that this is very difficult time. Fitnas as bad as the Dajjal or the Jali fitna around us. Families facing, there's a riwayah in Musnad Hanbal, so scary that I especially made a note of this, and I want to say it before I forget, that a time will come, a man would prefer, this is in Musnad Hanbal, he would prefer tying his daughters, his women at home than letting them go outside. And you know today what's happening, not just in the non-Muslim world, Muslim world also. Open offers of zina and dating and all that. Where